Peach trees are total drama queens in my little orchard, but I love them anyway. Today we're doing a quick April check-in and introducing the Chaos crew. Let's go. First task. Fertilizing with pelleted cow manure, because my trees deserve a 5-star buffet. It's slow release, organic, and they love it. Just don't dump it on the trunk, let's keep it classy. Next, pruning. The forecast says wet and cold is coming, so I'm holding off for now. April's the prime window, but if it grows outside, I'll wait till May. No soggy cuts, thanks. And finally, I'm planting a brand new tree, because why stop at 6? This majestic mass is tree 1, aka the OG. I literally tossed a peach pit out the window, and like a true underdog, it grew. No clue what variety it is. The fruit's small, sweet, and just a little tart. Let's just say it has main character flavor. This is tree 2. It gives small flat peaches, aka donut peaches. They're extremely sweet, like cotton candy at a county fair sweet. But she's stingy, only gave me like 5 peaches last year. Tree 3 is complicated. It's a nectarine. It fruits every year, but the nectarines just give up halfway through. They hang on the tree, looking promising, and then boom, gone emotionally. Just vibes, no harvest. Okay, but this one, tree 4 has that calm, confident energy. She's the kind of tree that makes you stop and smile. The one that reminds you why you started the whole orchard dream. Huge, juicy peaches. An absolute legend. Tree 5 is like tree 4's little sibling. Same look, just younger. No fruit yet, but the vibes are promising. This one's a mystery. Supposed to have flat peaches. It had 1 peach. It was not flat. So either it's confused or I am. That's the April peach plan. Fertilize, prune, and plant.